This is my block. It's a perfect mile. This is me, Beau. Nice beard, eh? And this is my barn, where I make things. I'm going to run 26 laps of my block in the next 24 hours. At least a mile an hour, which equals a marathon. The marathon provides a structure, where in between laps, I'll do as much as possible. Making things, odd jobs, cooking, fixing stuff.
There's kind of no point, but there's lots of point to it as well. To do as much as possible in a day, lots of tasks, and to get back to being practical. Get away from the screen. And I'm a bit fat, I want to lose the gut and do stuff that I've been meaning to do for ages. It's exciting because I have no idea how I'm going to feel in 24 hours, nor what I get done.